Hey, I'm back. So this week we're going to be focusing on green cleaning, but without DIYs. So this is for those who I ain't got no time for that type people. That's usually me. Things are too busy to be making DIYs, and I found that these products just take care of most of what I need. The only time that I make a DIY is if I run out of laundry detergent or dishwasher detergent, that I have things on hand that I can make it really fast, but I usually don't because I love doterra's Abode line. So they just barely launched this not too long ago, and they have your dishwasher pods. This works really well. It's low tox, so we're not talking about all the toxins and chemicals that are in normal dishwasher pods. So that saves me a lot of time. And then the laundry pods. These work really, really well. I love that it's the pod, so my kids aren't using way too much detergent and they can just throw one in. So that's super, super easy. If we're talking about laundry, the only other thing that I use in the laundry are the dryer balls. So you can get these from doTERRA or just go online and buy them. These are great for softening, with the static clean. You can put oils on the dryer balls and throw them in. I'm usually too lazy to do that. I have a spray actually that I will mist my clothes after if I want, that has some essential oils in there, but mostly I like the no smell. And so that when I walk into a room, I'm not smelling like Tide or some heavy perfume, right? I don't smell, I don't offend anyone unless I put some oils on. So the other thing that I use with the Abode line, so there is the dish soap. They do have these cute bottles that you can buy, the pump, but this is a refill. So this is nice because we're not using a ton of plastic. This is metal recyclable. And so you just will put that in there. And I've actually diluted it with some water because it is very concentrated. And then my overall general cleaner is where did you go? Oh, you're right in front of me. So I love this. The Abode, just all-purpose cleaner. You can purchase this bottle or get your own, but this is what you buy from doTERRA is the concentrate, the Abode cleaner concentrate. Great for all types of surfaces. It's safe for your granite or other types of surfaces. It's great for cleaning your bathrooms. And they say to put that whole bottle in there. That's 10 fluid ounces, but I actually have been using about half, unless it's for the bathroom, like toilet. So what I do to save time is I have one of these in the kitchen, and then every bathroom has its own cleaner. So if I see something like somebody went to the bathroom, it's dirty, I can quickly just grab out the cleaner. We have cloths there. We have in each of those little scrubbies, whatever. It's just super fast and convenient. That's what I found saved me a lot of time, is by having the bottles underneath the sink in every single bathroom. The other thing that I like in the bathrooms are their Abode lotion, and there's also a foaming hand pump, and you can get them in different. So the Abode one is citrus bloom, so if you like more of the florally springy smell, this is highly concentrated, so you don't use that whole bottle. Or there is the On Guard foaming hand wash, which is a little more cinnamon, maybe a little more fall smell, but it works. Any of those work in the foaming hand wash. And then the lotion's great. It's Citrus Bliss lotion. So if you like that springy smell, it's awesome. The other thing that I do have, and haven't been buying this as much because I've been using Abode, so the On Guard cleaner concentrate, this is also really amazing. So this is highly concentrated. You just put 2 to 3 tablespoons in your bottle, depending on what you're cleaning. And you can get, off of Amazon if you don't want the glass ones. And then the other thing that I use for cleaning is is just for windows and dusting. Microfiber fiber towels. I went to a meeting one time with this older lady, and she said this has been the greatest thing. So she got rid of the Windex and paper towels, and she's just been cleaning with the microfiber towels. And so you can legit just get these wet, and then usually just by wiping your windows, it will clean and won't be streaky. But if you find that you need a little more oomph to it than just that, then I like these. You can get these sprays through doTERRA through your order, and it's just empty. But I put in about 3 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol and then just water and about 10 to 15 drops of lemon oil. That's my biggest DIY. And this is for glass cleaner, window cleaner, and then the microfiber towels, so you don't have the streaking It's awesome. But that's super simple. That's basically what I use around my home. And then next week, we're going to be sharing some DIY. So if you want some very targeted things, or if you want to focus on saving money with your cleaning, then that's what we'll be sharing next week.